Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I'm Shameen and I'm a stylist and art director at Zari Fashion Designs. So a few days back I was going through my closet and I realized that I have so many jeans that I don't wear anymore. And instead of throwing that away, I've decided to spice them up a little bit. So let's get started. For the first project we will need a needle, a bunch of colorful threads and something to cut them with. Second project we will need fabric paint, sponge and a cardboard box with hard cutouts. I have two sizes with me. I think I'm gonna go with the smaller one. Put the cardboard cutout on the desired position and just start painting with the sponge. We will need a pen, a butter knife and some studs. I hope you guys liked watching this video as much as I like making it. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments. Bye bye.